Now, my lovely students, we are going to draw or write the map direction for this mouse to reach the cheese. So can you see here the arrows are given? We should draw or write the map direction. So let's write it together. So here we have first two squares. Can you see? One, two. Two squares to the excellent. Two squares to the right. So we should write 2. Then we should draw the arrow. We should draw the arrow in this way, like this, since it's 2 square to the right. Now we have, let's continue. So we move 2 squares to the right. Then we have 1, 2, 3. Can you see? 1, 2, 3, 3 squares down. So the direction of the arrow is down. Now we have 3 squares. We should draw the direction of the arrow down. So here we have 3 squares down. Now, let's continue moving. We have now 1, 2, 2 squares to the right. So now we should write 2 squares to the right. Let's draw the arrow in this way. Let's continue. Now we have 1, 2, 2 squares up. So 2 squares. Let's draw the arrow now up in this way. So here we have 2 squares up. Now, my lovely students, we have 1 square. Sorry. Now we have 1 square. Can you see here now the direction? 1 square. It's to the excellent. It's to the left. So now we have 1 square. We should write to the left. So in this way, we should draw the arrow now. In this way, it's 1 square to the left. And now we have 1 square up. So we should write 1 square up in this way. And finally, we have 1, 2, 2 squares to the right. So now we should draw or write 2 squares to the right. So that's it, my lovely students. Can you see? We have 2 squares to the right, 3 squares down, 2 squares to the right, 2 squares up, 1 square to the left, 1 square up, then 2 squares to the right. So in this way, we write or draw the direction map. Now, my lovely students, we are going to locate shapes in the corresponding boxes inside a table. Here we have these numbers. Can you see 1, 2, 3, 4? These numbers are written in a blue color. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Also 4 numbers that are written in red color. And here we have the direction of the arrow. This means that we should read first the red numbers, then we read the blue numbers. For example, if we want to locate this circle inside the table, we should look to the corresponding given. We have 1. Can you see 1? Here we read first this one. 1, then 2. So here we are standing on number 1. We should move 2 squares up. 1, 2. Can you see here? So 1, 2. So the circle should be located in this square. So let's locate the circle in this square. Can you see it? Now, the square is located 3 and 2. So here 3 and 2. 1, 2. Can you see here 2? So 3, 2. The square should be located in this one, in this box. So let's locate it. Here the square. Now the rectangle is located in 2, 1. Here we have 2. Can you see? And 1. Here 1. Can you see? So 2, 1. The rectangle should be located inside this box. So let's locate it. And finally we have the triangle. It is located on 4, 3. Here we have 4. And let's move up till 3. 1, 2, 3. Here we have 3. So 4, 3. It should be located in this one. Let's locate it. Here we have the triangle. So in this way, my lovely students, we locate objects or shapes inside the boxes in a corresponding or in a given table. My lovely students, thank you. That's all for today. I want you to solve pages 89, 90, and numbers 29 and 30, page 87. I love you all.